Alright, living room linen. What the heck could be in here, guys? I don't see any name on this thing, but it's pretty cool. Looks like it could be used. Maybe for some, pizza or something such. I would say that's a usable piece. Looks to be stainless, but we'll check it on a magnet anyway. What we got here? Some dish towel, dirty dish towel. Some green dish towels. We got wow. People don't know that this black stuff in here can cause cancer. It's a shame, but this is definitely, I'm getting rid of this stuff right away. That's scrap metal right there, guys, with the pot and scrap. Alright, let's continue. Now, this one, well, I don't know, it'd have to be washed, but it doesn't look in too bad a shape. It's got plenty of paper to make my, to light my fires. Got some kind of tongs that looks like they need to be cleaned up. The whole set. You got the forks, you got that. We got more towelettes. More towels. More towels with cows. We got more towels with rabbits. We got brand new towels. Okay, got more paper. I don't know what's with all this paper. Something down here? Got some kind of, I don't have no idea. Is that a tablecloth, guys? More towels. Wow. With a stain. There's a stain right there if you can see that. Another towel, another towel. It's just a bunch of towels. Boom. Get all the towels back in there. Boom. Okay. Alright. Got a brand new towel here. See what this is. Williamsburg. Okay. Indian overseas. Yeah, that's pretty good. Gotta look this up. Otherwise we'll give that to the wife. She'll probably like to have that. She might want this. I don't know. It's gonna have to be washed. And I don't know what to do with this, guys. I guess maybe we could put this in a pan. What did I do with that box? Pans. Is this the box with the pans? Yeah, put that there. Right there. Alright, so all this is done. That one up there. Let's grab another box and see what we got. Trying to make this unit pretty quick, guys. It is paid off. So with the dishes over there, I believe, with these dishes here, guys, this whole unit is paid off. Okay, and if I sell these, which probably I will, the whole unit's paid off, guys. 300, 350, plus the punching bag and more paper I'm gonna have to bring inside. Okay, so this is obviously a double. Why would there be? Huh? There's a big, oh, there's all the plasticware. I think there's still some things we have to go through here. There's boxes under. Oh, we got some kind of electronics here, guys. The heck could that be? It says oyster. Maybe it's for knives. I don't know, guys. See what we find. We got some mixers parts here. Some chops. Whoa, chunk missing out of that spoon. Looks like we got some kindling wood there for the fireplace. Hey, this is nice for doing like gold and stuff, so I'll hold on to this for gold panning. More towels. Where's that towel box? See, I gotta keep everything in order here, and it's hard to do. There's a towel box. We got lids. Is this anything special? No. Rubbermaid. Kind of went through that box, so I put some of the lids. All the lids are to it right there. Rubbermaid. We got more paper. Wow. A lot of paper to make my fires, guys. Hopefully I'm getting everything. So, gasket to something here. A pile of paper. I mean, crazy. More paper. Okay, paper's creeping up on me here. We got a lid to what looks like a blender, but no blender. It's like a lid to something. Wow, this looks really old. Knife cutter. Oh, we got an orange press. A lemon press, guys. Check that out. That's so cool. That's gonna end up being keep life. I'm gonna wash that sucker, guys. Gaskets. We got more wooden spoons. Used apparently. That'll be kindling. Take the rubber piece off this. That's kindling. Throw that down there. Take the rubber piece off of this. Well, this might be brand new. I don't know. Yeah, maybe keep life. I don't know. We got some chef's aprons, guys. Pretty cool. We'll put that in the linen. And a coffee grinder, a Krups coffee grinder. It looks pretty clean. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna leave that out, guys. Wood. These are pretty cool to have. As long as they're clean and there's nothing on them, guys. The dishwasher. Put them in the dishwasher. This should be good to go. These are really good for mixing eggs and pancakes and stuff like that. That might be keep life. We'll see. Looks clean. We'll see. Okay, we got the knives to the cutting set. Man, I gotta put this stuff somewhere. We got a box here, guys. Appears to be pillows. That in the linen. We can fit them in there. I'm gonna have to come back out later and redo all this. More towels. If you can see in here, guys, more towels. Wool. This looks like wool right here. Okay, so now we have a garbage box, which is really pretty cool to have. And I'm going to start cleaning up all this mess here. Alright guys, let's go through this box. I gotta move along here. Oh, there's a lot of stuff I gotta get done. Alright, what do we got here? Rug tape, no slip, rug hold strips. I don't get it. No mask, no residue, safety holds rug in place. How to tape is that? Weird tape, that's what that is. It's called great tape, rug tape, holds rug securely in place. No slip. That's kind of odd. Yeah, I'll see if I can sell that, guys. Got a book here. Alright, this is a yearbook. We got 2 yearbooks. 2004 to 2006. I'm just gonna put these here. I don't want to be bothered with that. I don't have time, guys. I don't know if we went through this yet, but I don't think we did. There's a whole bunch of these. I think there's a whole nother bag of these lights. These little tiny candles. tea candles. There's 50 pieces. I'm gonna put these somewhere, guys. I'll put them up there. There we go. Okay. All right, another heating pad to my collection. Let's see what brand this is. This is a Walgreens heating pad. It's good to get their seeds growing in the fall with heating pads, guys. Alright, we got CB here. Looks like a nice CB. It's missing some cordage though. I'm gonna have to wire something there. It's a Unidin. Unidin. Alright, put that on my bike seat for now. And some kind of pan. Oh, that's heavy. This gotta be cast iron, guys, but look at the shape of this. It looks like it's coated cast. LE Cruset. LE Cruset. Ah, I don't know. It's kind of in bad shape. Might have to put that in the scrap pile. I don't know if we've been through here. I don't think we were, guys. This is a preschool book. I guess that could be donated. Imitation flowers here. Leaves. What is this? I believe there's a tag. Bear with me. Dress barn. No price. Dress barn. Design. I guess it's just a throw, guys. Something that put on a chair, maybe. I have no idea what this thing is. And I just brought the box with the linens. I'll put it over there. Let's get rid of this stuff. This is all gonna be trash. Imitation stuff. I don't keep that, guys. I mean, I can see there's another tea light. I can just donate it. Ooh, oh, a leather jacket. This could be some money here, guys. Let's see. What kind of wrinkle? It's gonna have to be straightened out. Forever 21 plus sizes. Forever 21. Really wrinkled bad. This is gonna have to be put back in shape. Nice leather here. Nice leather, guys. Forever 21. Okay. Put that there for now. Clothing. It's child's clothing. Animals. Gar animals. I don't know. What do we got here? Shower curtain, brand new. Home classics. Oh, that's a shower curtain, guys. That's pretty cool. Shower curtain, Layla. Is this a Layla shower curtain? Okay, we'll bring that inside, I guess. Let's put that over there. Just going through stuff as usual, guys. Got some ball glassware here. I don't know what this stuff is. I have no idea. It looks like a chalkboard or something, but I'm not sure what's on the back here. Or if this makes like a square or something. Jeez. 4 of them. Balloons. That's empty. That's going in the trash. I gotta bring the garbage can out here. Yeah, still got a tag, but it looks kind of used. It's kind of brownish color to it. Do have a tow rope, which is really pretty cool. Tow ropes. See the hook right there. Probably flea market. I mean, I'll list it, guys. I'll list it on the market, but I gotta see how much tow ropes are. See what they're all about. Got here some kind of hat. Panda hat. Okay. Got some ball lids here, lids to that jar, I guess. Okay, looks like about it. What's in here? Oh, shoot, I don't wanna. Oh, another one of these guys. Glue gun. Hopefully there's some glue sticks. Hopefully there's some glue sticks. It looks like it's used. Okay. Got some HDMI. I'm gonna put this over here, guys. I'm just gonna wrap it around the bike here. I'll forget where it is, but I don't care. HDMI cables. Glue gun. Some other cable. This would be scrap copper, 100%. Scrap copper. We got here. We got some brush value pack free. How-to video. Visit us at royalbrush.com. These are royal brushes. Wow, look at that. All different shapes and sizes. Acrylic. Wow, that's pretty cool. Pretty fancy. Fancy smancy. So look, guys, I'm going to take this whole thing out of here. We have a fill box for the flea market. Yay. That's what I wanted. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, this thing. It's going to fall right on my toe. I got to move this, guys.